What's the meaning of ADC? ADC. 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 ADC stands for analog to digital converter. It is a device that converts analog signals, such as voltage or current, into digital signals, which can be interpreted by digital devices like microcontrollers or computers. The result of an ADC conversion is a digital representation of the input signal, which is expressed as a series of binary numbers. This allows for more accurate and precise measurements compared to analog methods. ADCs are commonly used in various applications, such as audio recording, instrumentation, and control systems. They play a critical role in modern electronics, enabling the processing and manipulation of real-world signals in digital circuits.